Israel, can you hiccup like Dada?
Dad's got funny hiccups.
Dada's got hiccups. We'll wait for Dada to hiccup.
Watch them be gone now. Did they go away?
Wait for it.
Did Dada's hiccups go away?
Wait for
Perfect timing. I think they're gone.
Israel, what did Dada do?
Dada still got the hiccups.
Did you hiccup? Here's hiccup. Hiccup. There's your hiccup. Every time Dad.
What's Dada sound like?
You do hiccup?
What's Dada sound like?
Israel, can you hiccup? There you go.
What's Dada sound like? Oh, buddy, you're silly.
Do one more. Oh, there's it. Did I see a strong boy? There's a strong boy. Okay, can you say bye-bye?
No.
Oh my gosh.
What's that sound like?
Dada, say go.
Go.
Yeah.
Go.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.